Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about the signaler indicator again, and as I have stated in previous videos, this is perfect for SMC traders or ICT traders, and there is a 7-day free trial going on, so don't miss that. Now today I'm going to run you through an Ethereum trade that I took on Monday, and this is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Let's jump to the video. So guys, as you can see, we are on the Ethereum chart, and I'm going to show you a sell trade that I took. Now, to get the indicator on your charts, click invite only, and it is a signaler hit. Our sponsor today is helping people scale their privacy online. Now, if you're trying to automate your business online, then you are going to need a proxy. Proxy for you is the best and by far the most reasonable proxy provider out there in the market today. You get fast, reliable proxies with unlimited bandwidth. Whether you're scraping bots or just browsing, it is perfect for you. Go to Proxy for you today with all the links that you need in the description below. What do you say? Let's get back to the video. Now, as you can see, we're going to analyze this chart. Bot plus, we are bullish in trend. That is fine. But look how overextended this is. We haven't had a strong swing break in a little while. It's just carrying on going up. The microstructure is bullish. So coming into Monday, having taken the weekly high, having pushed up through Thursday and Friday, I am expecting a pullback. Now, coming into London is famous for its, its manipulations and reversals. So I'm quite happy to take a sell here. Now, as we play this indicator out a little bit, you'll see that here you were given a short. I know I've played it one candle too far, but you were given a short here. Now, the stop loss goes above here. Now, this is based on the average true range, okay? So basically, just imagine like a Bollinger Band going around. It just works out the average true range of price. So that's where it puts the stop loss behind. For those trading smart money concepts, you can just stick the stop loss behind the market structure. That's also fine. But for the sake of me showing you the trade that I took, I'm just going to put it on the average true range. So take profits are basically worked out at 1-to-1, 2-to-1, and a 3-to-1 on the take profits. Now, with this particular one, I'm happy just taking a 2-to-1 as it basically just puts me back on the swing breakup structure. It's a reasonable place to aim for. TP3 would, for the sake of 1R, it's not really worth me shooting for it. You can take TP1, but like I said, I am expecting price to continue coming down. You can just see it's so overextended. So now that we're in the trade, we're going to play it out a little bit so you can see the catch that I caught. It comes up a little bit, that's fine, and we start pushing down in a second. You can see there. So we've almost hit our TP1, smash straight through it, and with this indicator you can move your stop loss to break even as soon as you hit TP1. That's fine. You can have that rolling TP movement, stop loss movement, sorry. But I don't really mess with that because personally my psychology, I don't do well when I'm managing a trade. I like to just set and forget, go about my day and just let it carry on. Now we came back up, that's fine. But then we eventually come down to break the lows right there. So start of the next day, we came down and we won our trade. So happy days, took the win, got no issues with that, and like I said, it was just given for me, and just jumped on and took it. It's fine. 2R. Then to put that into monetary perspective, if you are a beginner, 2R, I put 1% of my account on each trade, right? So if I'm winning this trade, that's 2% win. And if you're trading 100 grand account, for example, let's say you've passed your funding and you're trading 100 grand account, 1% risk is $1,000. So I've just made 2 grand in one trade, and it was given for me by the signals, right? Super easy money, guys. Now, like I said, there is a 7-day free trial, so all you have to do is jump over to the website. The links are in the description below, and you can use this indicator on your TradingView for 7 days free of charge. Now, that's quite rare. Normally you get 24 hours, so having 7 days to really tailor it to your strategy and use it to the best of your ability, and it will show you your profits, and then you can obviously go on and buy the lifetime subscription. Now, this lifetime one-time purchase, and it's $597 at the minute. It was $1,300. This isn't going to last forever. This discount will disappear soon, so it is worth jumping on, trying it out, getting used to it and then going on to buy the lifetime, it means that you only have to pay for one indicator. You know, if you're one of these people with like 20 indicators, this will just cover all of that and you won't have to upgrade your TradingView subscriptions. You can just have one indicator to just do everything for you. So as you can see, guys, again, this indicator is just showing wins after wins. So grab that 7-day free trial, get this indicator on your TradingView charts and just start bringing in the profits yourself. Now, don't forget, all the links are in the description below. So go ahead, click those, get involved, and then hit the like, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be alerted on my next videos.